And we are live, and I'm just double checking we could be live on Instagram. Let me just check. Don't think I'm live on Instagram. Don't know if that's worked. Anyway, we're live on YouTube. That's the thing that matters. And today I'm going to be looking at Algorand, and specifically what its next move is. We're going to look at the chart and look at the key levels as well. Sorry about that. So if we get the chart up. So what I'm going to do is go through it and look at the trends, and we'll look at the key levels for Algorand. If you've got any anything you want to put in the chat, feel free. Leave a comment if you've got any questions, etc., and we'll be able to go through them as we go through. Just double checking again that I'm not live on Instagram. I'm not sure what's happening exactly. Right, anyway. So if we look at the Algorand chart, what happened was the very start of the year, if we go from this low here all the way up to this high, it happened pretty quickly, going in less than 2 months from 27 cents all the way up to 180. Now if we look at the trend, so we're looking at the highs and the higher lows. Now, slightly different than what I looked at yesterday with Bitcoin. So you can kind of see, if we did this one here, what it's done is try to get some support and then get back up to its all-time high, which it didn't do. Then tried a third time, didn't do it, and then kind of went into this sideways action here. And as you can see, what it created was like a level here, which I'll show in a minute. And what I'm going to show is the difference between this and the Bitcoin chart. Right, so as you can see here, you don't have to be an expert to understand. If you look here for the key levels of support and resistance, 67 cents. So if you were looking at putting a buy level in, you would look at this level here, 67 cents. There's a clear level of support because it's bounced off it 3 times and it's not breached it. And here you can see there is a level of resistance at this level, around 93 cents. And we're stuck in the middle at the moment. Now if you look at this chart, it looks quite erratic. Look at the Bitcoin one. This is more of a kind of traditional rise here. So on the Bitcoin chart you can see new high, support, new high, support, new high, support, new high, fails the support, and you can clearly see the uptrend and the downtrend. But if you look at the Algorand chart, it goes up pretty quick with not much chop straight up to that all-time high, and then tries to find it again and then fails, and slowly goes into like a sideways down movement. And at the moment we're stuck since June in between this kind of channel here. Now, being in a bull run and being in a market where over the next few months everything in cryptocurrency is going to go up, I expect Algorand to go up. However, the question is with Algorand, where's it going to find support? Because what happens is, you can see it better on the Bitcoin chart, is when you're in an uptrend, it will go up, find a top, then it will consolidate, find support, find a top, consolidate, find a high, consolidate, etc., etc., which is what this needs to do here. So it needs to find some kind of level. It's touched 79 cents here. Whether it goes off that, I don't know. It may go a bit lower to here, or it may go all the way down to 66 cents. What needs to happen is it needs to go down, consolidate, and then what we need to see is it breaking this support level here of 93 cents, going up and then using it as support, and then kicking on from there. And then what would happen if it got to this stage is we will be easily able to see that it's in an uptrend, because at the moment it isn't. You can see if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, it's had quite a big rise here, and if you watch if you watched 2 days ago, you would have seen that once it gets through here, we've got confirmation it's got an uptrend. So Bitcoin has got around 7% to go so we can get an uptrend. Algorand is about 11% down. So we need it to get past this 93 cents mark before we can confirm it's back in an uptrend. Because to me, if you look overall on here, it's still pretty much just all down up until there, because it's not broke past this level of the 93 cents. So in summary, the two levels are 67 cents is the level of support and 93 cents is the level of resistance. Once it breaks through 93 cents, then we can confirm it's back in an uptrend. If you want to put, not financial advice obviously, if you want to put a buy order in, I would put it at 67 cents just in case, because it should have support at that level and then go up from there. I expect this to go up. I can't say exactly when, but this would be the type of thing it would do in finding these levels. So I will come back to this in a couple of weeks once we see what happens and how far it goes. That's everything for this short video today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Have a look at the links in the description box below if you want to use any of my services. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.